Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna do a speed clean with me. I have about an hour before people come over for dinner. I need a shower, make dinner, and clean my house. So we're gonna do a speed clean with me. I don't need to like deep clean it, but like I need to vacuum, I need to spot clean. So I thought I would get motivated and stop watching like period piece TV and movies. And I thought that if I filmed it, then I would feel a little bit more motivated to get it done. The people that are coming over don't really care what my house looks like, but you know, you wanna put your best foot forward. So I'm gonna speed clean and use you guys as kind of a motivation. I'm gonna put a podcast in and we are just gonna crank out stuff. I am also cooking dinner simultaneously, so we'll see how this goes. But anyway, let's jump into it. So I have really been enjoying the Tony and Ryan podcast. I don't know if y'all listen to them, but if you don't, you should. They're hilarious and oh so funny and help pass the time away. So I'm gonna put in a podcast and then just like hit it as fast as I can and get as much done as soon as I can. I'm actually gonna set a timer on my phone to help me keep track of the time because I do need a shower. It is 5:53 right now. People are coming over at 7. If I had to guess, these people are gonna be late. However, it's better to be on time than not, so. All right, first on the list is to unload the dishwasher. Oh, y'all, I did it. It is 6:25. You see that? 6:25. 30 minutes, speed round. I'm impressed. I'm gonna go shower because I got sweaty. And then I'm gonna start making dinner, which like I said, I already prepped. So, I don't know, y'all let me know. Do y'all do these? Well, first off, do you keep your house clean so that you don't have to do these? That's question number 1. Question number 2 is, if you don't, do you oftentimes find yourself like running around like a crazy person trying to get ready for people to come? It always seems to take me longer than I anticipate. But we keep our house pretty well. It's the dog hair, y'all. That is what like tips it over the iceberg. That and just like, you know, papers and things. So I normally like do a deep clean on the bathroom and the tub and the linens and all of that kind of stuff, but this time I just didn't have time to do it. Had I been a little more proactive and a little less lazy, I probably would have been better and I would have like spent my afternoon cleaning up, but I really just wanted to watch Pride and Prejudice, so sue me. Anyway. Okay guys, I wanted to take a little bit of time to sit down and talk about some life updates in this video with you guys. First and foremost, I wanted to say thank you guys. I started my YouTube channel a year ago, which is insane to think that I've been doing this for every week for a year. And you know, I really enjoy the people and the community that we've built here. It's small but mighty. I always look forward to seeing you guys commenting and sharing your thoughts and opinions about the content I make. For me, it's fun. It's a really fun thing. I'm so thankful to have all of you guys tune in every week and, you know, just go through this life with me and these projects, and it just gives me motivation to continue to do things. So thank you all to every single one of you that subscribes. And if you're new here, like, you know, there's a year's worth of content, 52 videos to be exact, that you can go back and check out. So I did just genuinely want to say thank you to everyone who has supported me in this journey. That being said, there's some big life updates that are happening. So as you guys know, may or may not know, actually, I do this as a hobby on top of my full-time job, and I do really enjoy it. However, it has been crazy at work, and it's been really hard to keep up, and I feel like I've just been cranking out videos that maybe aren't the best quality just to get something up. I told myself when I started this channel that I would upload one video a week for the year, and when I said that, like, I was in a very different stance with my job and like had the bandwidth to do it. I'm hoping to get back to that. So with that being said, I also recently found out that sweet little Delilah has some pretty serious health issues. We found out she has cancer, and you know, we're weighing through the options. We are figuring out what to do and like look through treatment, and also just really want to spend the time with her that we have with her. She's almost 11, and so with having a YouTube channel, a lot of my time on the weekends and nights go into filming and editing, and while I love it, it does take away from my nights and weekends and free time, if you will. So I've made the decision to continue to upload videos, but it probably will not be as frequently as they have been. I do want to still try to upload a couple of times a month. It just may not be every Saturday morning while we're sorting through, you know, Delilah's health and everything going on with my job and everything else. Like, I really want to create content that I'm proud of and not just crank stuff out that like is okay, but you know, not really what I wanted it to be. We want to spend time with her and really capitalize on the time she has left. And honestly, this fall is going to be very busy. We have a couple of weddings and a lot of festivities to go with those. We also have some trips planned. I do want to vlog about those things and keep you guys informed. I think especially for those family members that watch this, family and friends that watch this, you know, I know that you guys enjoy seeing what goes on in our lives and seeing what we're doing. So for the time being, I am going to take like a little bit of a hiatus, and you'll still see me around. It just may not be as frequently, as I said. I hope to kick off the new year with vengeance and really like get back to uploading once a week. I just need a little bit of time right now in this moment to be able to like process everything and, you know, prioritize my family and you know, all of the things that are going on. So I hope you guys understand. I hope you'll stick around. And like I said, I'm gonna upload. It's just, it may not be every week. And I'm hoping that with that, I'm able to create some really great content that you guys will be excited about. So I'm hoping to still upload every other week, maybe every 3 weeks. It just really depends. So I really appreciate you guys being patient with me while we sort through this and, you know, kind of get our footing back again and, you know, just take a breather. I mean, we've all experienced burnout, and I want my channel to still be something that brings me joy and happiness and a creative outlet and doesn't become a job, right? So it's just a lot to do with doing a full-time job and having a social life and, you know, all of that kind of stuff. So, you know, you'll be seeing me around. You're not gonna get rid of me that easily, but I did want to kind of let you guys know before I just kind of go MIA for a couple of weeks and you're like, what happened? Where did you go? You know, so anyway, thank you all for your support and your love, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.